Control should be able to shut down the gate.
Harley thinks she has me trapped in this chamber. She never was very bright.
I'm going after the animal who did this.
Batman, how's it going? Any sign of Dad?
Not yet, but I'm getting close. Harley Quinn tried to slow me down, dropped an elevator on me.
Did it work?
Of course not. I'll get back to you when I reach the end of the trail.
What's going on? They were talking like they were in control. Is it true that Joker escaped?
Unfortunately, yes. But not for long.
I'd been studying Joker's case for months when he broke out. The warden was very specific he wanted Joker cured.
Batman!
Bad publicity will have...
Don't speak. You're safe now.
But it's a trap!
I know. Just not for me.
You see. I'm sorry. I tried to tell you. I couldn't speak.
Relax, you're safe now. I can handle these low-life thugs.
You won't find Mr. J. He's in the secret lab in the gardens and... Oh, crap!
Yep, I know.
Damn. Well, he'll get me out. You'll see. Yeah. You'll see.
Oracle, I'm done. Harley is... subdued. And I have her prince still.
So you can find this...
Stuff on me, and I quit.
Me too. This place is creepy enough without those monsters running loose.
He's here! Thanks. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I eat punks like these for breakfast. What were they doing in here?
The ones that weren't
Well,
hitting me.
you the persistent one, Bats. Always one step ahead.
Mutated these plants to produce venom.
Yes, and I heard it through the grapevine the evil woman paid the price.
I need you to help me create an antidote.
Why should I? Let Joker have his fun. I'll enjoy watching you squirm.
You've been in the dark too long. Every plant on this island will get the same unless you cooperate. Go back to your cell, or I'll be after you next.
And I'll be waiting.
Box kept.
Yeah, go back and play with that bitch for a few more hours. The boss isn't ready for you yet.
What the hell is your...
Hey, screw you, Bat. We turned on the boat. You're trapped over there. Yeah, not so special now, are you? Why don't you just walk over here and stop him? I think you're scared. What's he doing? He's on the
Tour
way.
is required to make the antivenom. It'll lead me straight to them.
What about Croc?
Croc's just an animal. And animals just need traps and the right bait. I'll be fine. I'll contact you when I'm
Oh,
done.
I get it. You've activated a sonar beacon down there. Clever.
Oracle, I'm getting out of here.
What about Croc?
He won't be a problem. For now.
I think she's still in the gardens where you left her, but she'll be in control of it now. You'll be walking into a trap.
That's what she thinks.
Shame about your car. Can I give you a ride?
Thanks, Jim, but I have one on the way. Stay safe, Jim.
2 officers down. The suspect is fleeing in their patrol car.